Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD, tires, front performance, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.